Hello guys, welcome back to Making Solutions. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a 30% rate withholding from your Amazon KDP account without having to spend a dime, without having to call anybody to help you do that. You're going to learn how to do it by yourself. This process is very simple. All you need to do is just to follow me, watch the video carefully, follow the instructions carefully, and apply it. Alright, so before we start, I would like to ask, if this is your first time coming across my video, coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notifications so you get notified every time I upload useful videos like this. Alright, so without much ado, let's get started. All you need to do is just to head over to your Amazon KDP account. Alright, when you get to your account, just click on your account here, and what you want to do is we are going to provide the tax information. All right, so just click on tax information, click here, view and provide tax information. All right, now what we want to do is we are going to take this tax information interview again. So it doesn't matter if you've done it before, but we are going to take it again. Reason being that there's an information we'll need to provide in order for this 30% rate withholding to be removed permanently. All right, so you just click on take interview. All right, we are here, so just select your tax classification, individual here. All right, no, just select no. All right, so we move. All right, now are you acting as intermediary agents? No, just select no. All right, we move. Under this tax identity information, so just put your full name here, your country of citizenship, select Nigeria. Please take note of the next step, very important. Now we are going to concentrate on this permanent address. This is where we are going to do something. You understand? This is our focus for today. All right, so you're going to click on this permanent address. Just click on this edit button here. Now this is what we are going to change. Under here where you have country, you're going to select South Africa. Please take note. You're going to select South Africa. This doesn't mean that you're from South Africa, simply means that you are residing in South Africa. This is what we have to do in order for this 30% to be removed permanently. All right, so what you need to do here, you might say, I'm not in South Africa, I don't know anywhere in South Africa. It's simple. Just make use of your Google, search for any South Africa address. You understand? Like mine here, I've selected here this St. Andrew. All right, so I'll just copy everything here. All right, over tax information. Now this address, this way you put your estate. All right, now this is the city. Now you can copy my information also, copy whatever I'm having here, but be sure to, there's nothing to change really. So the state still this. All right, this code, I'm gonna copy this here. All right, so when you are done, just select, click done here. I repeat, this does not mean that you're from South Africa. Remember, you selected Nigeria here before as your country of citizenship. All right, so this you're only doing in order for this 30% to be removed. All right, so as soon as you do this, automatically those guys will remove the 30%. All right, you don't need to call anybody. All right, so lastly, where you have this thin value, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna provide your NIN. All right, so just anywhere you have your NIN, mine I have here, so I'm just gonna copy it here and paste. All right, so this thin value, now provide your NIN there and click on continue. All right, so basically, like I told you, this video is just for these purpose, and we've been able to change this permanent address to that of South Africa. All right, so the moment you do this, that has been handled. All right, so those guys will not remove any 30% from your account again. All right, so thank you for watching this video to the very end. If you did find this video useful, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so you can get notified every time I upload useful videos like this. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.